how to turn on posts from people I follow notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on posts from people I follow notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click the storylines in the top corner, and now click settings, and here you will find notifications. And first one here, all you need to do is just click on it and you can turn it on, and you can turn it off again just by one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.